Hey, this morning I woke up, wanted to make myself a coffee, and this is what happened with my DF54. Yep, nothing spinning. Well, let me show you how to take care of this problem. I think it's clogged, and we're gonna go ahead and clean it. Alright, you guys, I have what we're going to do is just get yourself an area that you can have some mess around. I use my deck for this. The tools I have is I have this air duster that I got from Amazon, 20 bucks or something. Then I have this vacuum kit that I bought it to clean my electronics and stuff, but now I'm using to clean this. And I have one of these Ryobi's vacuums, battery operated, wet and dry vac. So first thing is first, this is what you're going to do. Remove the bellows. Oh, also have some sort of a skewer, a wooden skewer like this. Kind of broke this because I don't need the whole thing. And then remove this counter, I think counterclockwise. Turn it until it comes completely loose, and kind of inspect. When this happened to me last time, which I grind around 7 and 8 setting, so when I do that kind of grinding, and some of the coffees they end up clogging the whole thing. So as you see, this time it's pretty clogged. Okay, so remove the top, put it down on a secure surface so that you don't damage the, forgot the name of that stuff. Well, anyway, kind of what I do is kind of like start working on it. First I use the larger vacuum with the brush attachment. First I kind of brush the things a little bit, get all this clog stuff. See how this coffee is clog here, doesn't move anywhere? That's where this wood comes. Don't try gentle. Don't damage the grinder. See, this machine cleaned about a month and a half ago. I drink about 3 to 4 cups a day, milk drinks and maybe 1 espresso. Anyway, as you see, coffee grounds all over the place. And also go like this, the bottom, kind of poke this in. See how it's clogged, keep coming out. And there's no point of showing you guys what's in that hole. Obviously there's coffee clogged in there. So anyway, so I'm gonna get this thing and put this, I'm gonna just run it straight up first. I'm going to put this up. Okay, smells really good. Good coffee. Alright, a little more loosening the hard stuff in there, especially in this area. Get my brush, keep brushing. This is like without removing anything. This is just doing it whatever I can without actually getting the nitty-gritty, getting the tools out and get these screwdrivers and screws around, all that off. Because number one, I don't want to void the battery. Number two, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just cleaning. So I'm not blowing things around. This thing also has tips and stuff. I just don't have it with me right now, but I got other tips like this for the vacuum. So I'll be using those. Okay, start with this one. Let's connect this to the main hose. Right. See if you can turn it with your finger. Okay. So you can like turn this with your finger, kind of loosen the stuff in there without being too harsh. Let's get this other brush. Also gotta do this. I'm going to do this little skewer to loosen some over here, here. Turn this puppy around. Can't believe how much coffee clogged in there. Huh. More and more. Alright, let's change this tip. Now I'm going to try to put this tip inside of here. See if it's going to suck anything out. Oh yeah. So the rest of it I'm going to use the air duster. This is why I said it's going to be a little messy and it's going to be outdoors. Alright, I guess this is the best way to do it without removing the whole assembly. And just make sure these little 3 notches goes into this spots. And then start twisting until you hit 0. Hold on. Actually, you bring that to 0 first. Duh. Sorry about that. Here we go. Now, you bring this arrow, matches this exit pipe, and then keep twisting until you can't twist anymore. And hits the 0 basically. There we go. We're all cool. Alright, now it's all set to go. Put our bellows on. Let's go ahead and try this inside. Alright, let's go ahead and test this out. I'm gonna grind real coarse just to get things settled a little bit. I'm gonna run it blank a little bit. Okay, and I'm gonna go ahead and feed it. See what happens. Here goes, you guys. Sit. That's how you get this puppy back in game. This is like a monthly maintenance program for me on DF54. Depending upon the how coarse you grind, you can extend that maintenance program. Like I said, I don't open up inside of it, get the gears out and all that. I just go straight in and vacuum everything I can, and especially open this clogged area. And this is especially critical if you're brewing oily, really dark beans or something, in my opinion. I'll probably do that every 15 days if that was those were the beans I was using. Well, I hope this video helps. Let me know if you have any suggestions, or please let me know if I'm doing anything wrong. And thank you so much for watching. Happy brewing!